Looking better, eh? I think we're about ready to get a bit of paint on it. Hey, so there we have it for today. What I consider to be a very successful day. We managed to get the broken exhaust stud out, which was the thing I was dreading and thought I was going to have a real problem with. But you know, right tools for the job and all that. Engine's got the black on now. You might be wondering what I've painted it with. I've used, as I have in the past, a product by International. It's a high temperature engine enamel. I think it looks really good, but this isn't the finished result yet. What I will do is I'll let that cure off for a few days, and then I'll apply some high temperature lacquer to it, just to the block and the cam covers, just to because the shine, I mean, it's very, very glossy now, but it will drop off a little bit as it dries, and that's fine. But yeah, a little bit of the high gloss lacquer will just finish it off nice, so we really do look good. And then, as I said before, these will be polished up. The end cases will be have got to be repainted. As you could see, I was getting all the paint out. They've been painted really badly in the past, so in the recess of those it's sort of painted. So yeah, that'll be done. Yeah, so other than that, I'm done for today. I hope you think the engine's coming on nice. Now that's done, next thing is back in the frame. So yeah, probably I'll be working for the rest of the week, and then probably at the weekend we'll get some of the high gloss lacquer on, and start planning on the engine going back in. So yeah, that's all good. I feel like I've caught up a bit now with the 550. Like I say, mainly because I was dreading doing that bolt, thinking it was going to be a real nightmare. So yeah, all good. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. Our subscriber numbers are going up, which is fantastic. Getting regular comments on I'm getting comments on a regular basis, I should say. So that's good. So we've got a bit of interaction going. Give me a thumbs up if you're liking the video, and please remember to drop any comments in the section below. I'll always answer them, and any tips or advice that you might have, that'd be really good. But I think we're almost at the stage where the exciting bit's going to start. I've still got lots of brackets to do and what have you, and I've just not got round to doing them. I mean, look at this, it's terrible. This is from the front mudguard, and it just looks like it's been painted over 1,000 times, so we're going to have to rub that down. And there's some engine brackets as well, which I'm going to need for when we put the engine back in. So still got quite a way to go, but I'm sure we've broken the back of it now. So yeah, great. Stick with me, and I'll see you next time. Thanks very much, Internet. Bye.